At the local Seiyu here, as you can see, food is completely out of stock. This place, it's around 1845 here, and usually this is prime time for people to get dinner. And as you can see, people are scrambling, but there's not anything to buy really. There's a couple boxes here and there. But as you can see, these shelves are usually completely filled with everything. And they're pretty bare. There's only bare minimum here. This is where they keep all the cold products like meats and steaks, chicken, everything like that. And as you can see, it's completely empty. Even over here where they keep green tea and all the drinks, it's all gone. This is the snack aisle where they usually keep snacks and everything, and it's completely barren. Completely barren here. People are scared. We're about 20 miles outside of here. As you can see, fresh produce completely gone. A couple pineapples here and there, but some lettuce. Mostly everything's gone though. This is after, by the way, I want to throw this out there. This is after they've been restocked today. The truck came in today and restocked. People are scared. They're buying whatever they can when they can. So, like I said, this is prime time. Usually this place is stocked with food completely. Hopefully this is just unnecessary precautions and nothing's going to happen anymore. And hopefully people up north will be the ones getting the food sooner, and we're not going to need to be stockpiling any food.